Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is March 21st, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy the trading strategy. You will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, so right at the bat, you could see that we had a really strong cash open. This is partly due to the fact that Janet Yellen had some comments that were pre-market, where she pretty much reassured the markets and the banking sector that they will step in and they will, help save the banks, provide liquidity, whatever it takes to make sure the banks don't fail. So obviously the market took that news very good, and they liked it. So we had a very big run up, a little sell off here to pretty much reload and hit this new high. Now this new high was at 10 o'clock. This was exactly at the same time where we had two things happen. Number one, we had real estate data come out, and Janet Yellen started doing an interview or a speech. So the real estate data actually came in hot, which is not good. It's inflationary, and that could be the reason why we sold off. But at the same time, Janet Yellen was speaking, like I said, and it could have been one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of things. Regardless, we sold off and pretty much consolidated here throughout the day. Now at 2 o'clock, we decided to switch gears and rally as high as 4,009, pretty much almost 4,010 level. Luckily, for me, we did sell off a little bit here because I had a call option that I sold at 4,010, and it was getting very, very close. But I was looking at the overall market, which I always look at the big guys, the big companies here in the S&P 500 or the SPY holdings. And I was looking at the advanced decline line, and I could see that, the rest of the market is not really participating. Typically what I want to see is the rest of the market participating with the SPX and the SPY. And it looks like it wasn't. It looks like, we had the highest was right here, right in the morning. We kind of sold off for the rest of the stocks. A little bump towards the end of the day, but not as quite just like the SPX was. So I was watching the 40-10 level, and I felt comfortable, number one, with the fact that, we've already had a pretty big run up. The rest of the market is not participating. And two, if I need be, to roll it out till tomorrow. There's a big event tomorrow, which is and it has a lot of volatility associated with it. So I would have no issues rolling it out far, far out of the money. So even though we hit 4,009, I waited, and I ended up selling the option for 30 cents, so $30. But this option right at the end was, this option right here specifically was like $250. I mean, if you're panic selling, like, you're gonna lose $250. But sometimes you just got to look at all the indicators and see what's really going on. And I kind of expected something to pretty much sell off here. So okay, tomorrow we have a very important day today. Like I mentioned, we have the FOMC and economic projections and Fed Chair Powell speaking at 2 o'clock, which is going to be providing a lot of volatility. So tomorrow I am probably not going to be trading a lot. I may place one trade on the call side, one trade on the put side, and probably that's about it. Especially with this run up today, I am kind of skeptical what's going to happen tomorrow. I feel like we were going to sell off today, and I feel like we're going to sell off tomorrow. So let's take a look at the trades for the day. So today, like I said, I was very skeptical of this large run up. I didn't place any put trades at all, zero. I just felt like we might sell off, and when we do, I will get trapped. And I'll get trapped for Wednesday with the Fed announcement. So definitely don't want to do that, because the worst I've ever had to endure, when I was trapped in the money on my puts, was when I did the trading on the Fed days. So that's ingrained in my memory, and I try to avoid selling anything the day before and the day of. So here, like I said, we had on the call side, we ran up and I sold into the strength. We had the 4010, which I ended up selling for, buying back for 30 cents. And we had these two, 4020 and 4030. So let's take a look at those trades. So the 4010 was 570, the 4020 was 320, and the 4030 collected 125. And you could see at 351, I bought it back at, the 410 was bought back at $30. So all in all, with the premium collected and the premium paid back was $985 on the day, which is not terrible, all things considered, with the large run up and tomorrow's big event. So yeah, that's it. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And like I said, and like I always say, guys, I do these videos every single day. If you're not subscribed, please do so if you like the content, because I do these every single day. And you know, if this helps you just to kind of understand what's going on in the market, consider subscribing. So we'll see you again tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.